Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up OCO order Thinkorswim. An OCO, or one cancels other, is a smart order type that pairs a profit target with a protective stop. When one of those exit orders fills, the other cancels automatically, helping you manage risk and lock in gains without constant monitoring. Let's walk through how to set this up clearly and confidently. First, open the Thinkorswim platform. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Either way, make sure you're logged into the account you want to trade from and that your connection is stable. Once the platform loads, go to the trade area. This is the workspace where you'll select your symbol, view quotes, and prepare orders. Next, click into the All Products section. This is where you can look up a stock or options chain and see live bid and ask prices. In the symbol field, enter the ticker you want to trade. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct instrument and that the market data you're seeing matches your expectations before proceeding. Now locate the ask price for the instrument you plan to buy. Right-click directly on the ask to open the order menu. Using the ask, we'll start a buy order. If you were selling, you'd begin from the bid. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Buy Custom. This option lets you build a bracket around your entry so you can define exits in advance. From the Buy Custom choices, click with OCO bracket. The platform will create a 3-line order, your primary buy entry, plus a limit sell to take profits and a stop order to cap losses. Adjust the quantity to match your plan, then set your profit target price on the limit line and your stop price on the stop line. Aim for levels that reflect your strategy and current volatility. You can also choose the time in force, day, or GTC, depending on whether you want the orders to persist beyond today's session. Once your prices and settings look right, click Save and Send. Review the order confirmation carefully. Check the symbol, side, quantity, entry price, profit target, and stop level, along with any estimated fees. If everything matches your intent, send the order. Your OCO is now working. If your profit target fills, the stop cancels. If your stop triggers, the profit target cancels. That's it. You've set up a clean OCO bracket on Thinkorswim, giving your trade clear exits and helping you stay disciplined from entry to exit.